In this video, I'll teach you how to set up Proton Mail filters. If you're tired of manually sorting out your emails, these filters let you automate your inbox. So to set up filters inside of Proton Mail, just need to head over to settings, click on all settings, and then on the left side of the screen, if you scroll down, you'll see the section called filters. You just need to click on it. If you have not yet created any filters, you just need to click on the add filter option and then name this filter whatever you like. For this video, I'm just gonna add in a filter where any newsletter that I receive, I want to move it to a separate folder. So I'm just gonna name this newsletters. You can name it whatever you like and then click on next. Thing is to add in a condition. So if the sender contains a word such as newsletter, I want to move it to a different folder. Once the condition part is complete, now you can create a new folder if you don't have any. Just click on this drop down menu right here and then select a folder that you want to move to. Once you're done, if you want, you can also mark the email as read and then click on save. This way, any newsletters that I receive with the newsletter word on the sender, it will automatically get moved to my newsletters folder. So similar to this example, you can use the conditions and actions to create your own filters to sort out and manage all of the emails that you receive. So this was just an example. I hope this video helped you out in creating your own filters inside of Proton Mail. That's pretty much all for today's video. I'll see you in the next tutorial.